Hello, my name is James Vagan. I'm the city manager for the city of Ojai.
And I am Ojai Police Chief Jose Rivera. Today is Friday, April 3rd. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. The City Council and staff at the City of Ojai and the Ojai Police Station are focused on responding to critical needs related to the coronavirus. We wanted to take the time to tell you about some of the latest news and actions here in Ojai related to this.
On March 31st, earlier this week, the public health officer for the county of Ventura issued an extended and updated Stay Well at Home order. A copy of the order will be posted on our website, which can be seen behind me, ohaicity.org, and a copy is also available on the county website at vcemergency.com. The order extends the expiration date of the prior order to April 19th, 2020, and adds some important items for city and valley residents.
First, the order requires specific procedures for takeout restaurants. It requires that all food be in a suitable container. For example, it notes that ice cream cones are not allowed, but ice cream scoops in a covered container are allowed. It requires that food be consumed away from the premises, and that persons waiting in line, whether within a restaurant or outside a restaurant, must maintain a distance of 6 feet from others. The notice also requires that essential businesses now limit their activities to essential goods and services. This means that non-essential activities of a store shall stop. This is typically seen with big box stores where they remain completely open and sold both essential and non-essential items. The order also orders all public and private campgrounds, RV parks to close, except for persons who certify that their RV is their primary residence. Please see the full order on ohaicity.org.
Again, ohaicity.org can be seen behind us. We have created resource pages and provided updates on that website, on our Facebook page, and on vcemergency.com. The coronavirus and these updated public health orders are requiring us to reconsider several activities within the city of Ojai. Two activities that we will be modifying effective immediately to increase social and physical distancing include the farmers market and the hiking trails. Regarding the farmers market, you may have heard that the city was working with the farmers market management to put restrictions in place that would require more social distancing and avoid crowds and gatherings. The city has been working with the farmers market management throughout the week, and although we worked out several issues, as you may have heard or read in the Ojai Valley News this morning, we ultimately found that there were still some crowded areas that could not be managed at that current location, and we've made the difficult decision at this time to not allow the farmers market at the current location this week. We reached out to the farmers market management to attempt to move the farmers market to a larger location where the booths can be spread out and guests and vendors would have more social distancing, but the farmers market is not comfortable moving it at this time. We were trying to move very quickly, which was a challenge for all of us. So we are going to continue working with the farmers market management to put a plan in place and seek an alternative location that addresses the social distancing issues. But for this week, the farmers market will be closed.
Now, regarding the trails, we have been closely monitoring the hiking trails over the last couple of weeks. We did notice an uptick in traffic on North Signal Street over the last 2 weekends, and had concerns that the parking areas would be congested and lead to a lack of social distancing. Beginning today, to address this issue, we will be closing North Signal Street and allowing local traffic on the weekends. We will place signage on the streets, and we're also using smartphone applications to indicate the road closure. We expect that this should reduce the number of people driving out and concentrating in one area.
We wanted to note that we don't make these decisions lightly. We know that all of these decisions that are being made have a real impact on residents and businesses and our community as a whole. However, The health and safety of our community is the priority at this time. We are in a critical period of the fight against COVID-19. By acting now, we are fighting the spread, and these sacrifices we're making could ultimately save lives. Please continue to stay home, wash your hands, and practice social and physical distancing when performing essential tasks. We are currently working on some additional resources, such as COVID-safe construction guidelines, which will be posted to our ojai-city.org website. Please continue to check ojai-city.org or vcemergency.com for more information and updates throughout the weeks ahead. Thank you.
Thank you.